Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing a new product, the Endurance Sprint Earbuds by JBL, meant for athletes. They're wireless, waterproof, connected by Bluetooth, obviously, wire in between. So we pop open the box, you got the earbuds here, and you got some of its features, such as twist lock technology, flex soft, it's lightweight, and it has a flexible secure fit with a magnet in the back to go around your ear to make it more of a secure fit for, when you're sprinting and stuff. So we gotta pop these open. You got the earbuds right here, and in the rest of the box you got a wire via micro USB to help charge it, because there's a micro USB port right here in the earbud. Then you got some more stuff like the controls. Let's see here. It has tap once to play and pause, tap twice to skip forward, tap 3 times to go backward, tap once to answer a call, tap 2 to end the call, and tap twice to completely ignore the call. And then you can slide up or down to increase or decrease the volume on the earbud. Obviously it's on the side with the light here, so that's where all the touch controls are at. Now we're just gonna test them, and when we test them, we brought in a special guest today. So my cousin Daniel is gonna come into the studio. Gotta make those cameos for you guys. So here's your earbuds right here.
Do I need to connect it to my phone?
So the way you connect is this Bluetooth, right? So you hold down the side right here with the LED light on it,
And it's JBL Endurance Sprint. Oh, that was pretty quick. It connected.
Okay, it paired. Okay.
You pick my song.
Oh, he's playing it right now. We got the music on right now.
So
you gotta ramp up the volume. You want to do it on your earbud?
we'll do it on the ear.
Oh, it's going up. I can see it's going up. See, look.
Oh, I restarted it.
So, how's the volume level? Are you getting that bass? See, yeah, it's going down now.
It's bass. It could be better. It's not bad, but
it's not like you're.
But when you're working out,
Yeah.
you're not really focusing on like the deep bass unless
you're
one of those
focusing
people.
on getting those gains.
Yeah.
And all that.
So if you're a big bass player, I'm not sure about it, but the vocals seem very nice. Its touchpad it works.
We're gonna see about the touch controls, if they're fast, if they're slow. So double tap to go forward. Okay, tap once to pause.
So I noticed its rewind button could be worked on.
Yeah, the rewind.
The skip button worked really well first, but that's usual with how most songs are.
Oh yeah, that is loud. Oh.
It can get pretty loud.
Ooh.
But it is kind of flat. Well, this song doesn't have a lot of bass.
Yeah. Got 8 hours of battery life.
That's pretty good.
And for 10 minutes of charge, you get 1 hour to listen.
How waterproof it is. It can handle your sweat.
You got your earbuds by JBL for all you athletes out there who sweat, work hard.